Hair extensions, 100% raw, unprocessed human hair sourced from temples in India. All our hairs are 100% unprocessed human hairs, natural textures, and it is cutically aligned to ensure no tangle. Single donor human hair lasts long for more than 2 years. Natural texture, unprocessed hair, direct from factory hair extensions. We have good offers and discounts in our online shop. Please visit our online shop hathairextensions.com. Raw, unprocessed human hair extensions from India. Hat hair extensions. Hat hair extensions. Manufacturers and suppliers of all human hair extensions. Curly, wavy, straight, all textures available. Ready stocks available for shipment. Hat hair extensions.